we go. Another project going on here. We got a 97 Toyota Tercel. And we're going to go over why it was a $500 car. And why it came with a new motor to put in it. So, first things first, we got a check engine light. I pulled the code and we got a P0301, so cylinder 1 misfire. So we're going to come in right here. Your cylinder 1's always the front one in the motor on these horizontally opposed. So we're going to go ahead and pull that out. We're going to check for spark. Yeah, we're going to see what the plug looks like. And I'll come back when we get it pulled out. Okay, so we got the spark plug out. It had spark. We went and cranked it over. Saw spark. Got the spark plug out, and it's definitely wet with fuel. You can smell it. Reeks of fuel. So that eliminates one thing. That means the injector's working and it's getting fuel into the cylinders. We got spark. Next thing I think to do is we're going to check and make sure we got good compression. Okay, so with the compression gauge hooked up, we're going to disengage these two other coil packs because we don't want the motor to start. We just want it to turn over. And we're going to see what these compression readings are. I don't sound promising. Oh, nothing. Okay, so I know what the problem is. Luckily this $500 car came with a new motor too. So yeah, go ahead and get that put in there and go from there.